Thank you for signing up as a Gazella white label partner. The first steps of creating your account, once you've logged into the partners portal, is to go to the configure menu item here on the left. Once you click on configure, you'll be taken to a page to set up your new portal. Click on the red set up new portal button, and then you'll be taken to a page where you add in your business name, your first and last name, your email and a phone number, and then you can start your reseller wizard in order to create your account. You'll get a confirmation email with a link, and then you can just click to continue directly in the partners portal. You'll add again your white label Wi-Fi marketing business name. You'll click next, and then you'll want to add your logo. So make sure you drop that image directly in the image file, confirm that, then click next again. And then you'll want to create two Cnames on behalf of your already existing domain. So as an example, we're going to use GoDaddy to create these two Cnames. One is going to be pointing to sys.gazellawifi.com, and then the other one is going to be pointing to connect.gazellawifi.com. So we'll go into the domain manager of GoDaddy. The one we'll be using today is Wi-Fi Biz, and then we'll click on DNS and Manage Zones. Once you click on Manage Zones, you'll be taken to a page where you can actually decide which domain you want to use, in this case wifibiz.co. We click on that, and then we're taken to the DNS management page for wifibiz.co. Once we get to the records, we're going to add two separate Cname records. Our first record will be whatever host we want, so in this case we'll do Wi-Fi or system or login or whatever you'd like that host to be, and that's going to point to sys.gazellawifi.com. The next Cname that we'll be creating will be for the connect page. So whether you want to call that splash, page, or connect, or whatever you'd like that an additional Cname to be, but in this case we'll use connect. That will be pointing to connect.gazellawifi.com. And it's really that simple to create the Cnames through your DNS management page in GoDaddy or whatever hosting site you guys use. There's tons of articles out there to walk you through the Cname creation process. And then the best part is you'll just go straight back to the setup wizard. You'll add in login.wifibiz.co and then connect.wifibiz.co. You'll want to check your domains, get those green check marks, and then of course you're done. Click finish, and you'll have a fully white labeled Wi-Fi marketing dashboard ready to go. Thanks so much, and if you have any questions, just email support@gazellawifi.com.